Hi guys, welcome to my channel and click to start. Type device manager, open it, then select the camera, extract, select this, right click to uninstall device, uninstall. Okay, and then click on this icons, save hardware changes. You can click also, if this icon is not showing, then click to actions and scan hardware changes and then close it. Then next, open any browser to type 50G7. Okay, so first link hpsupport.com, click on it. This is official website, so you have to install this only. Select operating system, Windows latest, and it will install in the Windows 11, so no worry about that. Now find out camera driver in the keyboard and mouse, extract this. You can see webcam driver and click to download. When it is downloaded, and it will show, just single click to open. After that, click yes, then next, I accept, next, next. Now this is installed, and then close it. Then next, enable camera access, camera permissions, so click to start, click on setting, then privacy or setting, then find out the camera, scroll down, camera, and if this is off, so please click to on, select all on. Okay, and then close it. Next guys, reset the camera service, click to start, type PowerShell, right click to run as administrator, and then click yes. After that, type this command, get hyphen service frame server this, and type, hit enter. After within 1 second, it will reset the camera setting, then close it. Then last and very important, click to start, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator, click yes, then type sfc scan now, and then hit enter. After that, it will start the percentage. When it is completed, then restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you.